So this is what I like to do. I like to elevate the pan a little bit. That's how I cook the edges of the steak. Kind of good. I'll do it just like this. About 20, 30 seconds. That's what I need. And then I'll go ahead and turn it around and do the same thing to the other side.